guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Koki. So welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for the support you guys have been giving me. Today I'm so excited because I'm cooking one of my favorite snacks. So easy, so affordable. So my ingredients, niko na waru. I have sliced here, nimechonga, not sliced, 6 warus. Have salt with me. I have turmeric. I have garlic powder. I have black pepper. I have 1 egg, some onions, some carrots, dhania, and flour. So guys, what I'm cooking today is a very amazing and sweet snack called hash brown. So the first step we are going to do, I'm going to grate this carrots. I'm going to grate these potatoes. So yeah, let's do this. So after you've grated all of them, you wash it just to remove the starch. So I'm going to use some cold water. Then you're going to use a clean towel to drain the water. So for the first step, I'm going to add my salt. 1 tablespoon of salt. Nice. I'm going to add my onions. Now make sure you shout. Then I'm going to add my carrots. And I'm going to beat my egg. I'm going to add my dhania. Look how simple it is. It's just a matter of adding. You see? Then I'm going to use black pepper, just a pinch, depending on how you love it to be. Here you can use any spice you want. Then I'm going to use garlic powder, also a pinch, depending on how you love it. And finally, I'm gonna use some turmeric. We need to color this food of ours. So here I have 3 tablespoons of flour. Unga chapati, yes, 3 tablespoons. You add it. My hands are clean, so this way you dive in and mix your mixture. Shaken water. Then you take your mixture and make sure the oil is spread well. Just lay it up here. Give it a nice shape. You can shape it when it's here, or you can use your hands to shape it. Guys, check it out. Look at how golden brown it is. Like, wow. This is really a nice snack. Really a nice snack. And give it some time. Leave it here on the other side. So as simple as that, you have your snack with you, known as hash brown. And you're easy, looking all yummy. Oh my god, as you can see, it's so yummy. You see? And it's really a nice snack. I hope you've enjoyed. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my content, like and comment. Till next time, bye. Thank you.